What you choose today will determine your pain tomorrow. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Divya Naik and today we are going to talk about joint pain and its management in Ayurveda. Well, joint problem is one of the very common problem that people come to consult with doctor for, and as it restricts a certain amount of movement in joints by causing stiffness, pain, swelling, etc. It is one of the very problematic thing in patients and does not heal easily. So that's why we have taken this today about elbow joint, that is tennis elbow, golfer's elbow. If we talk about knee joint, one of the very commonest problem in people, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis. If we talk about shoulders, again there is stiffness of shoulder in diabetic patients, very common, known as a frozen shoulder. About the hip joint, if we talk, there is necrosis of head of femur. So hip joint problem, hip dislocation is also one of the common problem in obese patient with aging. We see that. So basically the causes of joint problem could be age, weight gain, lifestyle, diet, lack of exercise, lack of movement, and degeneration. Degeneration is basically wear and tear, that is like the outer lining of bones, that is cartilage, that gets worn out, and due to which there is gapping between the bones, and this causes joint pain. This is an injury, of course, is one of the major causes of joint pain, as it causes structural damage in the joints. So what are the symptoms of joint pain? As we all know that whosoever has joint pain suffer from stiffness, swelling, redness, pain, tenderness in the joints, and restricted movements in the joints. So let's directly come to its Ayurvedic management. Ayurveda treatment in joint problem with every patient is very much individualized, and most of the diseases according to Ayurveda is caused due to toxicity in body, that in Ayurveda is known as ama. So the body needs different kind of detoxification procedures. So to remove the toxicity from the body, to cleanse the body, we need to detoxify it, which is in different levels. The first level of detoxification is when there is very mild toxicity in the body. Then at that time we just need to correct our lifestyle. We just need to focus on what we are eating. Is it warm? Is it fresh? We need to take more and more warm fluids, soups, etc. So that alone can help us cope with the toxicity in our body. If there is more toxicity in our body, there are herbal decoctions that are given Ayurvedic physician to the patients, helps by cleansing liver. If there is more, there is all those symptoms that we discussed of joints pain and it's chronic, then we need to work on it with the Panchakarma or detoxification procedure. So Panchakarma is the detoxification procedure. Particularly if we talk about joints, there are very good benefits if we see by Abhyanga, that is Snehan, that is also known as centripetal oleation. In general language people call it massage, but trust me, it is very much different from that. So massage is basically particular strokes done by a therapist with medicated oil as suggested by a consultant for the particular type of problem in a patient. There is Swedan, that is steam, that there is Potli, there is Navra, there is Ella. Now I will be making separate videos to cover these all procedures to understand in details. So these are the things that particularly give relief in the symptoms of joint pain. Then there is Bastis in Ayurveda, that you can call medicated enema. That is again a very important and impactful treatment for this problem and gives great relief in the patient. So we have discussed about Abhyanga, Steam, Navra, Ela, Podi and Basti. If we talk about a specific joint problem, suppose if we talk about lower back pain, the Panchakarma that is used is Kati Basti. Then about the neck region if we talk, it's Griva Basti. If about the knees we talk, it's Janu Basti. So you need to consult Ayurvedic physician, because the treatment plan in Ayurveda about the joint problem or any other thing is very much individualized. As you must have seen, there is a wide range of treatments that Ayurveda provides, plus there are a wide range of herbs that Ayurveda provides in particular problems. Specifically in joints pain, there is this Gugul that is usually combined with other herbs. Don't forget to visit your nearby Ayurvedic center to get consultation and know where your toxicity level is and get yourself detoxify, get your treatment done, manage your joints pain right away before it's chronic and before the problem increases. Just get it checked and treat it at time. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Divya, and today we were discussing about joint pain and its Ayurvedic management. Thank you so much.